Welcome back to Sketch Dictionary. Today's words are short, fast, and everywhere. The kind of slang used as instant reactions. Let's start with unalive. Unalive is a word people use to avoid saying more sensitive terms. It started as a workaround for platform rules. Now it's used both seriously and jokingly, depending on context. Next, real. Real is used to show strong agreement or relatability. If someone says something accurate, you reply with real. It means, I feel that. Now, valid. Valid is a way to acknowledge someone's feelings or opinion. It doesn't always mean you agree. It just means you recognize where they're coming from. And finally, OPP. OPP is short for opponent or opposition. It's used to describe someone who's against you, seriously or jokingly, online. An OPP can be anyone from a rival to someone who disagrees with you in the comments. Quick recap. Unalive, censored substitute word. Real, strong agreement. Valid, acknowledgement. OPP, opposition or rival. These words are quick reactions, but they say a lot. Which one do you use the most? Tell me in the comments and I'll see you in the next sketch.